Hello, welcome to Trailer Made Trailers, or Tiny Home Experts as it is on here on the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at our 10 foot by 2 foot window installation. This is something we've been really nervous to do. As you probably know, whenever you're moving a piece of glass like this, things can be really scary. Sometimes it can just kind of explode or break, or, especially if it's a tempered piece of glass, if you get any kind of bend in that, it's just gonna immediately explode the entire piece of glass, go everywhere, make a huge mess. And like that kind of piece of glass, especially a custom piece of glass like this, like that's really expensive. And I think the last thing anybody wants. We had to come up with some kind of plan to make sure that it was done properly and safely and not have the glass explode. So we get three guys together, and we're not exactly all the tallest people in the world, and I'd say it's probably a 6 foot, 6 feet off the ground. I would say that's a good estimate for how high the window actually is off the ground. So we had to have ladders, and we had to have step stools just to stand on, just to get the window up there, and then we had to kind of force it into its spot, and it adhered to this glue tape that sits on the inside of the windowsill. It just kind of sticks on. It seals and sticks the window there, which not very trustable in my opinion. I don't know if I would really trust it. It's kind of sketchy just to have basically double-sided tape hold the window in. But anyways, so once that was in and it was all level and all like perfectly straight and no crookedness to it or anything like that, we took the track that goes around the outside. It's like essentially the trim as well as the like part that holds the window actually there, like a more physical way of holding the window in. And it's all steel, so not a lot of movement or really flexibility with that. um so you take it, they lock in, because you kind of got to beat it in, hammer it in. Again, there's a video on the YouTube channel if you want to take a look, but you have to beat it in, and so we had to use some rubber mallets and make sure it was locked in all the way because we don't want to lose that window. And then once it's good and in, we had to go up the vertical ones on the side and then the top one. But when we got to the top one, we realized it was slightly off to the wrong side. I think it was slightly to the right, which means that the other vertical doesn't want to go in anymore. It's not going to have a good, nice, round corner on the outside, and it's not going to line up properly. And with these tracks, the way that they like kind of lock in, you they don't exactly guide you in perfectly. You kind of have to like move it to wherever you want. So then we're out there, we're beating on it, we're hitting on it, we're going crazy, just trying to make it fit, and we're out there for a good amount of time just trying to make it fit right and proper so that it looks clean and looks nice, the way it's supposed to be. They look great, extremely clean, extremely sleek. Show you the final results when that comes out. But I mean, for now, that's just wanted to talk a little bit about our window installation because I mean, the whole shop was sweating bullets for this one, so it was a good experience.